Truncate, meaning to shorten by cutting off a part. Due to time constraints, the presentation had to be truncated to fit within the allotted time. Utilize, meaning to make use of, to employ. The chef knew how to utilize different spices to enhance the flavors of the dish. Verify, meaning to confirm the truth or accuracy of something. The scientist conducted experiments to verify the results of the previous study. Whimsical, meaning playfully quaint or fanciful, especially in an appealing way. The children were delighted by the whimsical characters in the storybook. Yearn, meaning to have a strong desire or longing for something. Despite his success, he still yearned for the peaceful life of his hometown. Zeal, meaning enthusiastic and energetic pursuit of a cause or goal. Her zeal for environmental conservation inspired many to join her efforts. Abundant, meaning existing in large quantities, plentiful. The forest was home to an abundant variety of plant and animal species. Belligerent, meaning hostile or aggressive in attitude. His belligerent behavior often led to conflicts with his classmates. Comprehend, meaning to understand or grasp the meaning of something. It took me a while to comprehend the complex concepts in the physics textbook. Disseminate, meaning to spread or distribute information, ideas, or knowledge. The internet has made it easier to disseminate information to a global audience. Eloquent, meaning fluent, persuasive, and expressive in speech or writing. The speaker delivered an eloquent speech that moved the audience to tears. Fortitude, meaning strength and courage in facing challenges or adversity. Her fortitude in overcoming obstacles served as an inspiration to others. Gregarious, meaning fond of being in the company of others, sociable. She had a gregarious personality and made friends easily. Hypothetical, meaning based on a hypothesis or assumed situation, not necessarily proven. In the hypothetical scenario where money was no object, what would you do? Inevitable, meaning certain to happen, unavoidable. Change is inevitable, and we must adapt to new circumstances. Justify, meaning to provide reasons or evidence to support a decision or claim. The lawyer had to justify the defendant's actions in court. Kinship, meaning a relationship between individuals who share a common ancestry or connection. The sense of kinship among the members of the family was strong. Luminous, meaning emitting or reflecting light, shining. The moon cast a luminous glow over the tranquil lake.